What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install the wheel locks for my wheels, and also we're gonna fix the front lip because today I almost broke my front lip, and we're gonna fix it today. We're gonna put it back because some screws are bad, so let's fix that today. Let's do it. Okay guys, so today we're gonna install the new wheel locks for my wheels because I want to protect the wheels. One problem, let me show you. Yes, I almost broke this today. You can see here, man. I scratched it, and this thing, it went like this, and I almost broke it. Man. Okay, so let's put the screws back, and I think I'm gonna put add more, and I'm gonna wrap this piece only because I don't want to do the whole thing. Let's put one patch here and another patch there. Okay, so let's put the car inside to fix that, and let's install the wheel locks. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I got my new wheel locks to protect the wheels, but let's open it, let's see how good they are. Okay, so this is the key. It's cool. As you can see, it has different pattern. That's cool. So these are bolts, bolt locks, I think that's how they call them. This is only for like European car styles. The other cars will have like just a lock nut, okay, but for this one it's a lock bolt. So they look pretty good. You can see the finish. They're painted black. That's the way I want it because I don't want them silver because the wheels are black, so I want it like this. So the link for this wheel locks for Supra is gonna be in the description of the video. On my Corolla I had a different ones, so I'm gonna put the link for the Corolla wheel locks on the description of the video too. For those that have Corollas or Toyota Camry, those will fit for both Camry and Corolla. Okay, so let's put them on the car. Let's see how they look. Well, you can see this, man. I was sad when I did this. Man, you can see the scratches, man. Okay, so I'm gonna put a patch here and here. So the plan is to put, I'm gonna remove the screws and put it in the right position and put the screws back again. And I think I'm gonna add like 2-3 more screws over there. Okay. So let's do it. Let's fix this thing to have it nice and ready again. Alright, so now I already added some screws. Okay, so I have some screws. I added more, and over there too, so I added more screws, but I think I'm gonna put the Maxton screws in the future because those are stronger, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, so now the next step is to fix the scratches. Yeah, it has scratches here too, but I'm just gonna put patches. I don't want to wrap the whole thing right now. Okay, so let's do that next. All right. Wow, finally I got it fixed. Still I have a little bit of gap there, but It's strong now. Yeah, so the patch, you can see it there. There's one, and the other one is here. Two patches. Okay, in the future, when we will start getting like lifting more over here, I will wrap the whole thing again. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like that. It's okay for me like that. Yeah. Right, I like it. All right, so now let's do the wheel locks. Okay, I want to put the wheel locks to protect my wheels from tips. Okay, so let's install the wheel locks. First, we're gonna remove one of the bolts. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, this is one, and here's the wheel lock. So it's the same. It's the same height, but the shape on the top is different. You can see it here. And for this one, you will need a key. It comes with the key, and the key goes here to remove it. So without the key, you cannot remove this one. Okay, I like this one because this one is not like a round like other ones. The other ones are a little bit easier to steal, but this one, the shape is hard to steal. So here's the key. Let's put this one, and this one has a 19mm socket, so it's not this one. Let me put a 19 like this. Okay. You don't want to put too much pressure because it's gonna be hard to remove it. And that's it. That's how you install the wheel locks. Alright, I already did the wheel locks for the 4 wheels, but here you can see the difference. Okay, you can see it. So these are the stock OEM bolts, and this is the wheel lock. You can see it there. Okay, so remember to keep the wheel lock key in a safe place. Okay, don't lose this one. If you lose the key, it's gonna be hard to remove the wheel lock. Okay, so put it in a safe place that you know where is it at all the time. Okay, so hide it too. Don't put it in a visible area. So remember to, this is very important. Don't lose the key. It's very important. So with that, I can be a little bit more safe for the wheels. I don't want nobody to steal them. Okay, so the link for these wheel locks, they're gonna be in the description of the video down below, and also I'm gonna put the key, the link for the wheel locks that I use on my Corolla. Okay, in the link on the description of the video down below.